Promissory notes, bills of exchange. How does the law look at it? Let's get right into it. So, for limited liability companies that are into shipment transactions by air, land, water, that makes use of promissory notes, bills of exchange. How does the law look at it? Let's get right into it. This is Zivia Law Essence. This is where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decision, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. Let's get to it. So, in a situation where a company does shipments, or you are into a kind of business, just enter the business with another company or another individual that involves shipping or making use of bills of exchange, promissory notes. How does the law look at it? So, like when we were undergraduates, we had this lecturer that taught us commercial law, and commercial law is one of the subjects that we look at as the Bible in year 3, very light, very large, and that lecturer does not smile. And so sometimes when you'll be talking about some topics, they looked very abstract and sounded as if they were not within the realms of humans, And so we'll be asking ourselves that, are you actually sure that these are concepts or principles that people actually make use of in reality? Hold up. Recently, I was going through the Companies and Allied Matters Act, and I saw promissory notes and bills of exchange. And I was like, wow, so these things really exist. And I had to actually take steps to look at their formats actually and what they really stand to do in business. And I said, wow, so this is what Mr. Aman was always talking about those years, years ago. Okay, so let me also tell you today that yes, these things exist. People who do business in the areas of shipment, courier services, they are still experiencing these concepts, these principles firsthand. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can go check them out. They will educate you better. Okay, but mine is just to tell you how the law views promissory notes and bills of exchange. So if any company issues bills of exchange or a promissory note, and it is intended that it should be accepted, it should be treated as given by that company so named, it is going to be treated as if it is the company that issued it, even if it is an agent of that company that issued it. So long as that agent of the company is issuing it within the scope of his authority to act as an agent of that company. So where a promissory note or bills of exchange is subsisting, any successor to that company will still be bound by the what? Provisions of such bills of exchange or promissory note. So for you that is in business, you are in courier services where you issue bills of exchange, bills of lading, you are in buying and selling where you give promissory notes, take note. This is Zivia Law Essence. This is where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decision, live informed life, discover the very best version of yourself. I always tell people, if you know, you know. And when you live your life on the know, you always know the right steps to take. When you live your life on the know, people or things will not also toss you around. You can always take your stand. You can always take a position concerning anything and everything. This is why I took it upon myself that as I am learning, as I am growing and rebranding, I also want you to do the same. whether it's in your business or in your personal life. But one thing I know is that there is no knowledge that is a waste in this life. It doesn't matter, and I don't even care. I don't want to know what anybody is telling you anywhere, or what anybody is circulating on social media where people say that education is a scam. I don't care, because that's a lie, a huge lie. When you know, you know. When you are informed, you are informed. It may be that you know, but you have not gotten the opportunity to showcase yourself. But for me, I just believe I should keep building up myself. Like I said, until I read how the WHO defined health, until I read it. So after I read that definition, I decided to do all-round rebranding. All round, mentally, physically, socially. Okay, so I am rebranding. Like I told you, you're welcome on board in this journey. You might not be a lawyer, but you will need it, the information I give on this platform. You might be in a business, large scale, small scale, you will need it. You might just be somewhere in the market doing your buying and your selling on a daily basis. You will need the information as a business person. Okay, so this is why Zivial has taken it upon herself to always bring premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again. Bye.